Hi everyone, welcome back to Pot and Bloom. Have you noticed sometimes two plants get the same water, same sunlight, and the same care, but one is growing beautifully and the other looks like it's having a rough day? It's frustrating, right? Well, the problem isn't you, it's what's going on in the soil. Today we are going to talk about something really important that most people don't think about, soil pH. But don't worry, it's super easy to understand and I'll show you how to fix it so your plants stay happy and healthy. Let's get started. So, what is soil pH? It's just a way to tell if your soil is too acidic, too alkaline, or just right for your plants. Plants need the right balance to grow well. If the pH is too high or too low, they can't take in the nutrients from the soil, even if you're watering them, feeding them, and giving them plenty of sun. Most plants like their soil to be somewhere in the middle. The best range is usually between 6 and 7. When the pH is right, your plants stay healthy and grow better. It's a small thing, but it makes a big difference. Alright, now let's talk about how you can adjust your soil's pH. It's not hard at all, and these tips are super easy to follow. First things first, always test your soil before making any changes. You can use a pH meter, test strips, or even a simple DIY kit. It's like giving your soil a quick health check. Once you know the number, you'll know exactly what to do. If your soil's pH is too low, that means it's too acidic. You can fix this by adding some agricultural lime, compost, garden lime, or even crushed eggshells. These slowly bring the pH back up and make the soil more comfortable for your plants. If your soil's pH is too high, it's on the alkaline side. To bring it down, try mixing in organic compost, a little sulfur, or even used coffee grounds. These help make the soil more balanced, which your plants will love. If you're looking for an easy way to keep your soil balanced and healthy, try Pot and Bloom's organic pot mix. It's made with high-quality ingredients that help maintain the right soil pH and support strong root growth. Whether you're planting indoors or outdoors, this mix creates the perfect environment for your plants to thrive. You can find the link in the description if you'd like to check it out. Here's something many people forget. pH can change over time. Things like rain, fertilizers, or even tap water can shift it. So every few months, do a quick check. It will help you catch any problems early and keep your plants strong. And that's it for soil pH. Just remember to test it, fix it if needed, and keep an eye on it. Do that and your plants will stay happy, healthy, and super green. And if you want to make gardening even easier, check out the Pot and Bloom DIY gardening kit. They come with everything you need: seeds, pots, pot mix, and more, making it perfect if you're just starting out or want to skip the guesswork and get straight to growing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your gardening questions or tips in the comments. See you next time, and as always, happy gardening.